If you're considering buying Donarius church management software, there are a few key things you need to know before making your decision, especially when compared to other church management tools available. We're going to go through 12 important points, so stay tuned until the end to make sure it's the right choice for your needs. First off, Donarius is a well-rounded software that serves small to medium-sized churches. It's designed to manage membership, donations, and communication with ease. However, it might not be as scalable as some other options if you're running a large congregation. Compared to tools like Breeze or Planning Center, Donarius may fall short when it comes to advanced features for larger organizations. Next thing to consider, Donarius is user-friendly with a straightforward interface. If you're a church leader looking for something quick to learn without a steep learning curve, it could be a great fit. But for those who are used to more advanced, customizable software, you might find Donarius a bit too simple. The competition like ACS Technologies or Church Community Builder offers a wider range of advanced tools, but at the cost of being more complex. The third thing to note is its price. Donarius is reasonably priced compared to other church management systems. This makes it a strong choice for churches on a tight budget, but it's important to know that with lower cost often comes fewer features. While Donarius offers essential tools, platforms like Planning Center and Fellowship One pack in more advanced functionalities, albeit at a higher price. Moving on to the fourth thing, Donarius has great donation management tools. You can track donations, issue receipts, and manage pledges effectively. However, its mobile giving options and integration with third-party payment processors are somewhat limited compared to its competitors. If mobile giving is a priority for your church, software like Tithe. Lie or PushPay may provide a smoother experience. The fifth point is about customization. Donarius does allow some customization, like adjusting reports and creating custom fields. But compared to other options, it's not as flexible. If your church needs deep customization for tracking specific data, software like ChurchTrack or Breeze might better suit your needs. Next thing is its member management capabilities. Donarius shines in this area, offering detailed profiles and tracking attendance. However, it doesn't offer the social networking features seen in some other church management tools. For example, Planning Center includes features like event registrations and group management, which can foster a more interactive church community. The seventh thing to know is Donarius's reporting features. The software has robust reporting capabilities, but they are not as extensive as the ones you'll find in competitors like ACS Technologies. Donarius covers the basics well, but if you need more in-depth analysis or specialized reports, you might find the alternatives more powerful. Eighth, Donarius has good integration options, but not as many as other platforms. For example, if you need to integrate with accounting software like QuickBooks, Donarius can handle it, but the process isn't as seamless as with other systems. If integrations are a must-have for your church, you might want to explore more flexible options like Church Community Builder. The ninth point to keep in mind is Donarius's customer support. Many users find the support team helpful, but it's not available 24/7. Some competitors, like Breeze and Planning Center, offer more robust customer support with 24/7 availability and multiple contact options. The 10th thing you should know is Donarius's mobile app. While it offers a mobile app, it doesn't have the same level of polish or functionality as some of its competitors. If your church leaders and members need a high-quality app experience, you might consider other platforms like Planning Center or ChurchTrack, which provide better mobile functionality. The 11th thing is its security. Donarius takes data security seriously with encryption and secure backups. However, some of the more expensive competitors have extra security features like two-factor authentication, which might be a deciding factor if you handle large amounts of sensitive data. Finally, it's worth mentioning that Donarius offers a free trial, which allows you to explore its features before committing. This makes it a low-risk option for smaller churches or those just getting started with church management software. However, if you're looking for a solution with more advanced features or better scalability, you might want to look